Hello dear students, you are shown a video of Social Studies chapter 13 which you will watch and understand carefully.
Students, if I ask you all, are you ready for a Delhi trip? You all will jump and say yes. Then get ready to have a virtual trip through this video. The most comfortable and best option is the Ho bus. This blue bus is very beautiful. It is operated by Tourism Department and Delhi Transport Department. This bus runs to all the famous places and buildings of Delhi. Its benefit is that by purchasing a ticket once, we can sit in any Ho bus and enjoy the places. So first, we are going to see the high minarets of Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar, standing tall at 73 meters height in Mehrauli, the Qutub Minar is constructed by stones. Today we have those machines which can construct higher buildings than Qutub Minar, but this was constructed thousands of years ago when there was no electricity, engines and cranes. Qutub Minar was built in 3 stages by 3 rulers of Delhi. Qutbuddin Aibak built 1 story, followed by his successor Iltutmish, who built 3 stories more, and finally Firoz Shah Tughlaq, who built fifth and the final story. After 400 years, a British engineer repaired it when it was hit by high intensity earthquake. He also added an umbrella to it, a cupola which did not look good and was brought down. You can visit the cupola in the premises there. What is the name of this stone used in construction of Qutub Minar? It is Balua stone. There is a mosque called Quwwat ul Islam built in the same compound. There is a 2000-year-old iron pillar in the complex that hasn't rusted in over 2 centuries. The minaret is definitely one of India's prestigious assets. Red Fort. Red Fort is situated in Old Delhi. It was then called Shah Jahanabad. Shah Jahanabad means city of Shah Jahan. Red Fort is a huge fort made with red sandstone. At that time, Shah Jahan was the king of Delhi and he built the Red Fort. Beautiful designs have been made on the walls. The Red Fort is beautiful not only from inside but also from outside. It is a huge fort where the king did not live alone, but thousands of people lived in it. A whole city lived with the king. On the upper side of wall there are holes for using bows and arrows. This type of arrangement was necessary for safety of king and his kingdom. Children, can you see the national flag on the Red Fort? Standing here, the Prime Minister of India addresses the country on 15th of August, our Independence Day. Children, this is Humayun's tomb, famous throughout the world. Does it look like Taj Mahal? Some people think that Taj Mahal was made after examining Humayun's tomb. At that time, Humayun was the king of Delhi. He spent his whole life in battling and roaming around. His wife, Hazi Begum, made the tomb in his memory at the place where he died. Children, the tomb is very beautiful, and so is its garden. Can you guess now which stone has been used in this tomb? Yes, it's Balua stone.
Now you are being given to read the main points of the chapter. Along with these main points, worksheets are being also given. All worksheets are given with their answer key, from which you will check your answer.